15. On the money straight away. Mohammad Shehzad alongside.
He requires a rest.
That's gone for maximum. There's an outside edge. That's the bit of fortune. Well, pays the price. Adding insult to it. That's a poor delivery. He's been...
It's well played. Very well played. Gone for... It's up in the air. And it's a Gumbura under it. Takes the catch in the air. It nearly popped out. Well, that's the first wicket. And it's Shingi Masakadza who provides the breakthrough.
Yeah, he just felt that something was going to give, and it's a good catch from Chikumbura. Had to run long distance over his back.
Oh, inside edge. And it's going to go for 4. Unlucky for the bowler, but very fortunate. It'll go for 4.
Like a decent...
That's a good shot. A very good shot over extra cover and 1. Vittori. That's a good shot. It's a very good shot. He got enough on it.
Just try and milk him. Oh, that's a really good shot. No one on the offside. Well, I said that they wouldn't try and take him on. They've done that, and he's won the battle just. Timson Maruma, it is out at long on. He's not sure whether... That's up in the air now. Has he got enough on it? It's a short boundary out there. Yeah.
You called it, Alistair, and he's picked the gap there.
Oh, diving effort from Masakadza, but he's done it in style. Another boundary to Ahmed Shehzad, short from Shingi Masakadza, and smeared over long on. So that is 50 now for Ahmed Shehzad, his 3rd in T20 internationals. Highest score was yesterday of 70. In the gap again, this time the two fielders converging, and it's Panyangara who gets the most on it and is able to save the boundary. That's a full toss, trying to get it in the block hole, and just bowls the full...
Well played. Knew it was coming. It's a long way up in the air and all the way over the boundary as well. It's well played. Does it get away for 4? Yes, it does. In the gap. And gone for... Oh, goodness. Oh, what a hit. That's out of there. What a way to get to 50. Fantastic shot by Mohammad Hafeez.
It's a great way to get to his 50. Well played, Captain. Afridi applauding it.
That's well hit. He's just missed. Oh, yes. He's got that. That's a brilliant start for Pakistan. It's in the air. 1 bounce. And it's Waller fielding it. We'll keep it to 1. So he ends Ahmed Shehzad on 98 not out from 64 deliveries. It's the highest T20 international score for a Pakistani opener as well. It's Pakistan's highest T20 total for only 1 wicket down. Superbly.
Be better with the old ball coming and bowling at the death than he was with the new ball. But
big appeal. I think they would have pitched outside the leg side. It's probably going to be a leg bite. And it gets away to the boundary for 4. Good.
that has definitely like that, but this one's come up the middle. No doubt about that.
Oh, he's got it away. Just thought for a minute that he had...
Oh, he nearly just got away with a wide. Oh, he's come hard on that one, has Masakadza. Wants to prove you wrong, Al. And gets as little on it as he...
5 runs. In the air, is someone going to take it? Mine. Yes, thank you very much. On your bicycle, mate. And that's the first wicket gone. Once again, I think a bit hectic that shot. He just lost patience, and Zimbabwe have lost their first wicket.
He's tried the left shot there,
And that's out.
he's tried to lap that behind square, but the pace is just not on the ball, and that sees the end of Brendan Taylor, given out by Owen Chirombe. Hamilton Masakadza going for the big shot. Looks like an amazing field by Umar Amin at deep mid-wicket.
We'll have to have another look at that.
Wonderful shot by Sean Williams.
So look,
He's gone for it, and he's a big, strong lad, is Hamilton Masakadza.
Oh, yes, that's a beauty. What a follow-up. That's a good shot. Brilliant shot for four. Little misfield. There's a man out there. Does it get to him? Yeah, it does in the end. He hit it too well. Didn't pick the gap either. Good catch by Umar Amin. And it's Masakadza who's got to go.
He's looking to find the boundary. There we go. There's that pickup sweep. Really, really good shot. Good execution.
Top shot. Strong boy. Oh, I reckon he might have his foot up.
Yeah, he's much more animated on this occasion, the wicketkeeper, and he knew straight away that he got it and whips the bails off. So he never gets back behind the line. So a simple decision this will be for the TV umpire, and the big out sign will appear on the big screen. And unfortunately for Zimbabwe, they'll lose another wicket. Williams was looking pretty good out there, and they need...
Remember him from yesterday. Oh, goodness, what a catch. Superb catch that by Hafeez. Just plucked it out the air, and Maruma's gone.
They've been good in the field of Pakistan and made some good saves, and cover catching doesn't come any.
Oh, he's got that pretty fine. That should run away. It's a good shot. Oh, he's nailed that. Make that 10 off the over. That's what he... Strike. Oh, he's got all of that. Let me tell you. We saw a big one earlier on in the... Just like that. He's... Has he got enough on that? Afridi's there. Takes a very good catch. He's a good fielder, is Shahid Afridi. And a little way to go to his right. Here's the first one. Bang! Straight out the middle of the bat. Save your legs. Yeah, he's got that one. It's not really going to count. Well, it was a tail ender facing the last ball. Slow ball again from Sahel Tanvir. And that's the end. Pakistan win the series 2-0. And they'll be reasonably happy with their performance. Good outing by the bowlers. Batsmen were superb. Have been fantastic in the field, Pakistan. Grant Flower, the batting coach for Zimbabwe. Pretty good effort by their batsmen. 160 is where they ended. Team is. A reminder as well, no Saeed Ajmal. He's missed his first game since he made his debut. Mohammad Hafeez had 3 wickets, got himself a 50. So led from the front, took a great catch. And then Ahmed Shehzad, sensational. He got him 98 and was brilliant in the field. So they can be very happy. All their bowlers performed. Only 1 wicket fell for Pakistan. A job well done. It's congratulations in the camp all round. And so they should do, because they've done really well. Pakistan, he's led well. Mohammad Hafeez, Sahel Tanvir, probably not totally a senior player, but he's up, led from the front with the new ball. Shahid Afridi again, always adding to